I had a friend at West Coast and she had all good things to say, so it was obviously at the top of my list. Smile Camp today, it was a lot of oral hygiene instruction, teaching the kids how to brush. A lot of these kids, it's their first time having a cleaning, so as kids, it's important to give them good experiences. We like to do the tell, show, do method, talk about it, show it to them, and then they're more receptive. You're going to leave not only with clean teeth, but with a lot of knowledge. You're going to know how to brush and why it's important.
I came to West Coast University and I fell in love with it. I actually toured the campus on Smile Camp Day. I know children are learning a lot today, but us as clinicians, we're still learning as well. So I'm learning how to work with children and getting to know them and building rapport with them. I think it's great that we get a day where we can just educate children and it's all about the children, just so they're more comfortable and they would want to come back.